So I'm starting the class. If you will face any problem, you will let me know. Okay, I'm starting this lesson. Lesson 6, le film que j'ai vu. Okay, the film that I have seen. Que j'ai vu, I have seen. This is the tense passé composé. So in this lesson, we will learn about the passé composé tense, transitive and intransitive verbs. Okay, if you want to do, you can let me know. We will improve the pronunciation. Fine. So Delhi, 17 October. Delhi, 17 October. Sheikh Matthew, dear Matthew. Comma, what you? How are you? Or how is going? Je vais bien. I am fine. Or it's going fine. Mes vacances vont bientôt se terminer. Okay, my holidays are going to end soon. Et j'ai passé the bon vacances, and I have passed the good holidays. J'ai passé, I have passed. Okay, yesterday, je suis allé voir a film. I went to saw a film avec mes amis, with my friends. Il s'appelle Titanic. Its name Titanic. C'est un bon film. It's a good film. Dans un film, in this film, l'acteur est pauvre. The actor is poor. Mais l'actrice est très riche. The actress is very rich. La fille va en Amérique. The girl go in America. Dans un navire, go to America in a ship qui s'appelle la Titanic, whose name is Titanic. Avec sa famille et son fiancé, with his family and with her family and fiancé. Qu'elle n'aime pas, to whom she doesn't like. It means she does not like the fiancé. Le garçon gagne au jeu de cartes. Okay, the boy wins the card game. Il a la chance, and he has the luck. La chance, he has the luck d'aller sur le même navire, to go on the same ship. Les deux se rencontrent. The two meet et tombent amoureux and fall in love. Mais soudain, but suddenly, la navire, the ship, hits off un iceberg. La navire heurte un iceberg. The navire, the ship, hits the iceberg. Il sombre dans la mer, and it drowns in it darkens in the sea. La fille survit, the girl survived, mais le garçon mort non. But the boy died drowned in the sea, dans la mer. J'aime bien ce film. I like this film a lot. Okay, tu dois aller la voir. You must go to see that. Okay. Qu'est-ce que tu fais pendant les vacances? What are you doing during the vacances? Écris-moi. Write me. Ami calma, friendly, or lovely, Ronit. If you have any problem, you can let me know, because you are the one losing. I will not lose anything here. My work is to deliver the knowledge, and I am delivering. Okay, the question activity A, activity 1, complete avec un mot du text, complete with a word of the text. So the first one is il n'a pas de vélo. Okay, he has no cycle. Il n'a pas, he has no, the vélo, cycle, he don't have cycle because the hero is pauvre. Parce qu'il est, because he is pauvre. Pauvre means poor. Nous allons traverser la mer. We are going to the sea. Dans la, okay, navire, in the ship. Okay, elle, beaucoup d'argent, she lots of money, elle gagne. Elle gagne beaucoup d'argent, she wins lots of money, like elle gagne le jeu aux cartes in your text. J'ai un gentil ami, I have a kind friend, j'ai de la chance. Okay, de la chance. I am lucky. Okay. Now I'm moving to next page here. And again, here we have exercises. Okay, so the question is like this. Comment Ronit a passé ses vacances? How Ronit passed, okay, his holidays? If you have any question, you can bump into the conversation. You can ask me. If you don't have any question, it's good. But if you will not respond, you will not ask questions where you have problems, so it's you in the trouble, not I am. Okay, comment Ronit a passé ses vacances? How Ronit has passed his holidays? So answer will be directly Ronit a passé the bon vacances. Il a aussi vu a film. So you will write Ronit. Okay. Ronit a passé the bon vacances. Okay, then il a view a film. He has watched a film also. Okay. Now I'm moving to next question. Okay. For next question. Comment le garçon et la fille se rencontrent-ils dans le film? How the girl and the boy meet each other in the film. So answer is very easy. They went on a trip on a ship and they met there. So you will write les deux se rencontrent dans la navire. The two met in the ship. Okay. Next question. Est-ce que la fille est-ce que la fille aime son fiancé? Does the girl like his fiancé? So answer is no. Elle n'aime pas son fiancé. You will put that accent there because I'm missing because of keyboard. Okay, next question. Qu'est-ce que le navire heurte? What the ship hits. Okay, the ship hits the what? Fine. So, le navire, the ship, heurte un iceberg. Okay. So these are the questions we had to do, and we are finished with this. Okay. Now next question. Trouve dans le texte le contraire. The find in the text the opposite of. Venir means to come. So opposite of venir is aller. Aller means to go. Second one is sans. Sans means without. It's a preposition. You will write avec means with. Third one is per. Per means loss. Here you will write gagner, to win. All the things visible in your book. Next one is detest. In second person singular, you will write like in second person singular. Okay. Dehors, out. Okay. You will write dans. In riche or rich, you will write pauvre. For rich, you will write pauvre. Pauvre means poor. Now exercise 4 is écris une lettre autonomie à décrivant le film que tu as vu récemment. So write a letter to your friend describing the film you have watched, you have seen recently. Okay, so all the formation will be very easy, and this you people will try yourself. In case you have any problem, you all will let me know, and we will do it later. Okay, now I'm moving to a tense which is very important in your syllabus in this lesson, and that is passé composé. Passé composé means compound past tense. You can see here. If you want to read, please read. Otherwise, I will finish that. So children, if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay. So French has several different past tense, and the most important one is passé composé. So passé composé is the most important in the past tense. Just to make things interesting, it has 3 possible English equivalent. To make the things interesting, it has 3 possible things. First one, j'ai visité, I visited. So this is in simple past. Again, j'ai visité, it means I have visited. Literally, it is very, very correct. J'ai visité, I have visited. And in English, it comes into the category of present perfect. But here in French, it's passé composé. Third one is j'ai visité, I did visit. This is emphatic past tense. Okay, now let's see when we use passé composé. Okay, the passé composé is used when talking about. When we use passé composé, let's see. Firstly, for complete actions. Firstly, we use passé composé for complete action. First one, j'ai visité le Canada. Yes, I have visited or I did visit Canada. Second, for repeated action. Okay, je l'ai visité 3 fois. I have visited it 3 times. Okay, next one is series of action. J'ai visité le Canada. I visited Canada. Et puis, je suis allé au USA. And then I went to, je suis allé, I went to the US. AUX, contracted article for plural. United States of America is plural. Last we use, okay, condition in likely situation. In likely situation, C clause. C clause means C means if. Okay, so you can see here, si tu as perdu, if you have lost, tu dois féliciter la gagnant. Okay, if you lost, you have to congratulate the winner. Okay, fine. So here we end. This thing you will not watch. This is the passé composite tense. And we are done with passé composite noun. Okay. If you have any problem, you can ask me. We can also take one more tense today. And that is the easiest tense in your syllabus, which is already finished. So if you have any problem, you will let me know. Your time is over for the class right now. If you have any problem, you will let me know, children. Okay, we are taking now one more tense, and that is present tense. If you want, we can take this